Well, we gotta wait for a couple gaskets and of course the hubs. We don't have the hubs, and yeah, we're dicked. So I can go frig myself. But we get to go play tractor today, a big time. Oh, but I gotta offload that tractor, load the other one, then load that. Holy shit, he was getting stuff ready. I don't know about this whole felon, boys. Not even cutting the fence. Getting stuffs ready for our adventure. Yeah. Check that out. Yeah. Okay, here we go, boys. Load the skid steer on the trailer. Well, she's pissing. We got some tongue weight. That's why we left those holes open. Drainage.
Oh, yeah.
Holy shit, buddy. There?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's a good. It'll fit. Third time out. You know, you're not just gonna check all that shit off. You know, actually check it.
Willy-nilly? No, heavens no. Heavens no. Right? Right on. Thank you. Okay. Yes, sir. Have a good day. There's a puddle of oil on the road.
Oil?
Yeah.
I'm good.
You love it?
Oh yeah. Legs are definitely gonna work out today.
Nice. You'll kibble and not be able to walk for a couple days?
Man, my bottom of my heels are just gonna. Oh.
Oh, you're not wearing your work boots?
No.
Oh.
Oh, safety violations. Oh my god.
Sakes.
Some dumbass.
What are we gonna do with you?
I don't know.
I thought when I seen you had your safety coat on, I thought that holy he's being super safe and shit.
Yeah.
He's like super safe. Nope.
Nope.
Quite the opposite.
Yeah. Never been safe in my life. Why start now?
Right? Freaking Camaro Lamborghini. Ah, it's a Camaro Lamborghini. Something. But yeah, I guess we're ready to go. We'll dump this, have some lunch, smoke some cigarettes. Nothing? Oh, fuck. Oh, right in the dome. Don't let it hit you in the dome. All right, too late. Well, I guess that makes her official. Hey? What? I says that makes her official. Oh, does it make it official? Yeah, we're traptorsmen. All the goofs are gonna be mad as fuck. Yeah. Fuck wood from traptorsmen and stuff. We don't got any traptor to play tomorrow, so I'm gonna load up some cars onto the dump truck, and we'll take them in tomorrow. How do you like them apples? And the goose can be mad about that. You're a dump truck smith and a scrap metal smith specialist? Anger! You know what I mean? Righto, boys. 2,222 hours and 2/10 of a minute. Alright? Toot 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 toot. I apologize for that. That's very unlike me. Except for it's totally like me big time. I apologize. A lot easier to load and unload off this trailer. Boys, I have a legit traptorsman business. Like an actual one. It's not just like, oh, like I do undercoatings or, oh, you know, I scrap cars. This is like a, oh no, there is 2 gaskets. I was mistaken. I was mistaken. My apologies. But this is a problem. This is a problem.